Hi Taurus, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another Love Bite. Taurus, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind, take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Taurus and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their love life now. Thank you. Alright Taurus, let's start your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Taurus, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So Taurus, Hierophant in reverse, 6 of Pentacles, 10 of Pentacles upright, 4 of Pentacles, 5 of Pentacles, 7 of Swords, Temperance, the Emperor, and the 6 of Cups. Bottom of my deck, I have the 2 of Wands. Okay, somebody seems to be having to needing to make a decision, or there's some waiting going on. I do see some structure or some commitment which has not been. There's been no balance in this committed relationship, maybe, but on the outward, maybe it is a 10 of Pentacles. I don't know. It could be a marriage or something. But somebody wants to come out of feeling, I don't know, there's a lot of stubborn energy here. Somebody wants to come back because they feel whatever mind games I've been playing in this connection are kind of backfiring on me now, because a lot of imbalance has happened in this connection. So what I'm going to do, Taurus, I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll move on to the clarifications. So Taurus and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Taurus and their person. Thank you. I'm going to take a few more, Taurus, from another deck. And if any of you are looking for personal readings, my email is in the description box below, Taurus. You can reach me there. Taurus and their person. Thank you. And a few more from here, Taurus. All right. Good to go, Taurus. Let's start your reading. The first card here says, "It's so frustrating the way you compare me to others. I'm not like anyone else. My success is not measured by status or material items. I'm unique, authentic, and proud of who I am. Why don't you just see me, my heart, and my soul? I get so annoyed with your constant need to control everything and denial of your triggers. If I upset you, I want you to be honest with me, but you use silence as manipulation to gain control. We should be able to talk it out like grown-ups." Emperor in reverse. Very, very controlling person here. Okay. "You talk with me about our future and building our life together. However, when your intentions don't align with your actions, I feel like I can't trust you. To rebuild a solid, stable foundation, integrity and consistency are essential for me to feel safe in this connection. Walking away from you was the hardest thing I've ever done in my life and my biggest regret. I enjoy dating and keeping things casual as I'm not wanting to settle down just yet. I see my future with you. Recovery takes time. Please have faith in me. The thought of being with you one day is what gets me through today." All right, Taurus, these were some of your messages, and maybe some of you have a decision to make, maybe pulled in two different directions. Let's see. Let's start with an angel blessing card, Taurus. Let's see what my angels have for you first as a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message, and then we'll do the clarification. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Taurus, please. Miracle. All right, this is one of my favorite cards in the deck, and here it is for you. There is some sort of miracle coming towards you, Taurus. Now let's see what that is. I do see a Six of Cups. That means somebody from your past could be coming back. I don't know, maybe a soulmate. Past doesn't have to be your ex-partner, could be a past life soulmate, right? So let's see what this miracle is all about. So, Hierophant in reverse, Spirit. What's this Hierophant in reverse for Taurus? Okay, one more. Emperor in reverse again. One more. And the Six of Cups again. I don't know what's happening here, Taurus. I'll be honest, this is really confusing me. But there is somebody here who's kind of... Something went wrong in a commitment, it seems, because their partner was very controlling and very... it was always their way or the highway. Somebody's kind of lost trust in them. Wanting to come out of this isolation, feeling... almost wanting to release. This is so confusing. From a very imbalanced connection, then Spirit, what is this Six of Cups which keeps showing up? This is such polar opposite energies. Ah, okay. Okay. All right. So basically somebody's tried to be very controlling in this connection, where they are now feeling, oh my God, all this, very disappointed with their own behavior, because this commitment is going through some rocky times, it seems. There's imbalance. Whoever this Emperor in reverse is feeling, oh my God, all these games that I was playing, they're backfiring on me, because I do love my person, and now my person is kind of closed off and they're no longer showing me too much love. I think this Emperor wants to put in the work now. After feeling they've made some very unwise decisions, they may be on the verge of getting released by this Queen of Swords who doesn't trust them anymore. Six of Cups, Six of Pentacles, Spirit in reverse. Yeah, somebody wants a reunion. Absolutely correct. After a period of time where things have not been just or balanced. Somebody's maybe been too focused on their work or their business or their money. Something they've been doing where their partner has always felt maybe alone or neglected or sad, and probably lost hope in this connection. But I do feel this Emperor, I think, is now kind of realizing that this commitment is important to them. They do see a future with this Queen of Cups, who they do love, and they do want to rebuild, it seems. Ten of Pentacles, Spirit. Yes, they want to put the barriers down. They are realizing that there's been too much stagnation which has happened in this connection, too much injustice. Maybe they haven't shown any love or affection or passion. They've broken a lot of promises, I think, not been emotional with their person. And their person is on the verge of maybe releasing them. They're sensing that. Yeah, but whoever this Emperor in reverse is, they do want to end this fight. They are feeling the loss of this love, feeling really emotional that they may lose their home or structure or marriage or something. They do want their Empress back. They want this growth and future and abundance with their Empress. They don't want to be left behind. They don't want... Yeah, they even though there's been a little bit of delay, and they are recognizing that, yes, I have not given my person attention, and it's been a while, but they are realizing that they don't want to lose their person. They know that their person brings them the ultimate joy. Also realizing that all these games that they were playing, that it's kind of going to backfire on them big time. This injustice that has been done, lack of balance, things becoming stagnant, has all led to an imbalance of this connection. I do feel somebody is now ready to take action. Maybe send a message or say something or do something, maybe a passionate romantic message, maybe coming in hot and heavy, but one more. Who's in this king of who's thinking all this, Spirit? This feminine could be holding back a little bit. As much as this person is trying to come back to now, Taurus, maybe in their passion or their, intense whatever, trying to come on sexually or something, saying, hey, let's start again, let's begin again. I still have a lot of passion for you. But this Empress still considers this Emperor to be an Emperor in reverse. Maybe because of their past behavior, when they've been very controlling. This Empress is still kind of holding back, not wanting to go back into a place which has always stressed them out. They feel their person who's always been their way or the highway has always made them feel like a loser. I don't think this Empress wants to go back into a place where they get stuck in regret and sorrow and always feeling the lack of love, feeling the lack of everything, basically feeling sad and left out all the time. I think this Empress is almost on the verge of ending this connection, but this Emperor wants to transform this connection. So there's a choice to be had here. But the last card is the Six of Cups, so which normally means somebody coming back from your past. So let's see what that's all about. Six of Cups. I think the choice is going to be with this Empress now. There is somebody who's wanting to rekindle everything from the past, but this Empress has become the High Priestess. They're trying to listen to their intuition, and they may just refuse. And if they do, it's going to almost kind of make their person feel embarrassed, because they are coming in hot and heavy with the hope of rekindling this commitment. Can we re-begin? Can we have a restart of this? And can we have that love or affection or whatever that we used to have once upon a time? If this Empress refuses, which I feel she may be holding back, it's going to really embarrass this Emperor, and they do want to return. What's this Two of Wands, Spirit? What's this Two of Wands? Yes, this Empress is still very upset with them. This Empress is still harboring some kind of resentment. There is anger here at the way things didn't work out maybe in the past. It's going to be their decision to choose which direction they want to go towards, and they will be making a choice or a decision very soon. Anything else, Spirit? I think this Emperor in reverse, they may come in very sweet with an apology, or they may try all tactics initially, but if they are not given into it, they're coming to have this conversation, right? They want to have this communication. Hey, I'm sorry, can we begin again? But if there is any kind of stoppage to that, maybe by the Empress, be a little aware it could lead into a nasty fight. So what's the miracle then, Spirit? What's the miracle? I'm going to take a different deck for this one. What's the miracle that Taurus can expect? What's the miracle that Taurus can expect? Justice will be served. Four of Wands. And the Nine of Cups. One way or the other, I don't know what's happening here, Taurus, you would know. There will be a new beginning coming towards you, whether it's with the past person or maybe a new person, because you seem to be undecided at the moment, still waiting and watching as to which offer to take. Whatever you decide now will be the correct choice. right? You are going to make a wise decision for yourself, which gives you justice, which makes you feel secure. And more than that, Spirit is saying, choose the direction which gives you incredible happiness. The ball is in your court, Empress. Choose the direction which makes you jump with joy. Okay? Whether somebody gets angry, they don't get angry, whether you have to reject somebody, accept somebody, whatever you do, you're sitting on a miracle right now. Take it. Okay? So the only advice here that I see is choose the path which makes you feel secure and extremely happy. Do not compromise. That's all I have for you. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.